Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to increase font size on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here first thing first, here you just have to open the settings first. Here I'm use the normal size for the phone here guys. And if you want to change it or if you want to increase it, you just have to go to this display options. Now in this display page, scroll it down until we'll find here display size and text. I'm gonna tap on it. To increase the font size, you just have to shifting this button to the right, yeah guys. This is the plus one, which is this for increase. So here I'm gonna shifting, and at the top here for the preview. Here I'm gonna shifting to increase it. And if you want to save it, you just have to go back because it will be automatically saved like this, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.